This is a quick demo of real estate investor software. This is a spreadsheet program that you can use to find the best rental properties to invest in and help figure out how to make those properties profitable. So I've already gone ahead and opened the program. I'm running it in Excel 2007, and I've pre-populated the fields with the data. For example, this is a fourplex, so I've got 4 units in the building and the 3 mortgages on the property. But I'm just going to jump over here to income expectations. Where I have listed the information now, I can see that gross potential income after taxes, in the first year I'm losing $153. Second year I'm losing over $1,000. Third year I'm gaining, but I'm only making $1,000. By year 5 I've lost $7,000 because over here in expenses I've got a roof to put on in year 5 of $8,000. So I'm not happy with these numbers. This isn't making enough money for me. It doesn't give me enough of a buffer for things to go wrong. For me, I'm most comfortable with making $500 a month. That's $6,000 I want to see here before I'm comfortable with a property. That $500 a month can go towards expenses if things go wrong, or it's money in my pocket when things go right. So let's see, if this property can work well for me. If I go to mortgage data, I'm looking at spending $285,000 on this property. Well, let's look. Let's see if I make an offer of $265,000. Does that get me where I need to be? Income and expectations? Well, at least I'm not losing money in the first few years, but I'm definitely not in that $6,000 range, that $500 a month. Back to mortgage data. What if I negotiate with the bank so I get an extra 0.5% off my mortgage? 3.5%, and on my lines of credit, maybe I can negotiate for 0.25% off. So 4.75 here, 6.75 for that unsecured line of credit. Does that get me to the point I want to be in? Well, I'm halfway there, but it's not quite good enough. Rental data. I did put in very low rents. So let's put in a more realistic rent. For this size of apartment in this location, I should easily be able to get $700. So if I keep it a little lower than that, I should help me get people in quickly and retain them. But that would give me a low vacancy rate. Back to our income expectations. Oh, now that's better. Even with having to spend that $1,500 on buying a lawnmower and snowblower that first year, I'm still making that $6,000. Now I'm feeling much more comfortable. When I don't have expenses, I'm making over $7,000. Until year 5, when that roof is going on, and I only have to pay $336 out of an $8,000 roof. But let's see if we can get somebody else to pay for that roof. Income and expense data. Here I have entered that I expect to raise the rent by 0.5% each year. What if I raise the rent 1 full percent? Not a lot of money for the renter. Let's see how much of a difference it makes to me. Well, there you go. I'm over $6,000 now for the first year. Almost there the second year because I have higher expenses. Well over year 3 and 4. Year 5, when I put the roof on, I'm still up $500. I'm not having to pay for that roof. This will show for the full 25 years of my mortgage. And another great thing about the software is down here, estimated future building appreciation. This shows me that at the end of year 1, with the future building appreciation of 4% that I estimated, minus realty fees, balance remaining on the mortgage, I would make a profit of $1,300. Am I happy with that? No, that would be a lot of work fixing up that apartment for a $1,300 profit. But let's be more realistic. About year 5, I could make $82,000 by selling the building. Really, I'm looking 15 years ahead to, that's approximately when I'm going to retire. So that would be a $311,000 boost to my retirement income. I could be pretty happy with that. Or at year 15 in the rental, I could be earning over $9,000 a year rental income. Just something to consider. That is how this software works. This is how the software, real estate investor software, can help you analyze different properties, compare them, figure out what offers to make to purchase a building, how to negotiate with a bank for an interest rate, what you should aim for, what rents to set, etc. This software, for one $40 investment, can save you a lot of money from making mistakes and can earn you a lot of money by helping you invest wisely.